Wardrobe buying guide. A lifesaver for those of us that don't have acres of space in walk-in closet. The Trusty wardrobe is a household furniture staple and one of the hardest working pieces in your home. Habitat's range of wardrobes cover an array of shapes and sizes and fixtures and fitting depending on which ones strike your fancy. Different types, choosing a wardrobe, how to make different materials, things to think about bedroom furniture. What are the different types of wardrobes? One door, two door, three door, sliding wardrobes, mirrored wardrobes. How to choose the wardrobe? How to measure a wardrobe, clearance, dimensions, material, budget, actual things to think about, aftercare, bedroom furniture, shop wardrobes.